That bad, and it is a fairly grey autumnal day for most of us today. Pretty damp too, but the rain, thankfully, not quite as heavy as we were thinking this time yesterday, which is good news in terms of the flooding situation. But if you are drifting off and thinking of some sunshine, maybe perhaps heading to the Canaries, then perhaps, if anything, here it's a little bit too hot. Temperatures yesterday up to 33 degrees Celsius, not far off the October record all-time high. Across into Cyprus, and things are a little bit cooler. In fact, a gorgeous day here, expected maximums around about 27 degrees Celsius, and it'll stay fine for the football match here, Manchester United taking on Maccabi Haifa. Down across the southeast Mediterranean in general, not much cloud. If you look at the satellite picture, you can see quite clearly Italy here, and stretching up into southern France too, fine conditions. But further north, you drift into some cloud, and as I said, across the United Kingdom, it is a fairly grey day. Most of the rain confined to more central parts, from southern Scotland southwards. In the far south itself, although a fair amount of cloud, most places escaping dry and some brighter spells here. But that rain continuing to edge eastward, so staying pretty damp for many of us, perhaps brightening up a touch for Northern Ireland. Some bright spells in the north, just one or two showers continuing here. But the likelihood of still some of that rain around at St James's Park, certainly the surface likely to be a little bit slippery for their Champions League encounter. But that rain will be drifting southwards and then sort of grinding to a halt by the end of tonight and for tomorrow across southern counties of England and Wales. So turning wet here. Still some showers in the north. Elsewhere, under clearing skies in autumn, that means it's going to turn chilly. In fact, quite a widespread frost across Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Temperatures as low perhaps as -4 degrees Celsius. Obviously, where we've got the cloud in the south, no such problems. But we'll see some patchy frosts in the coming night, but then they disappear altogether, and we start to see some pretty warm air heading up. Those oranges darken, things getting noticeably warmer by the time we get to the weekend. But we'll pay for that by seeing more rain, particularly so in western areas, spreading in by the end of the week. The rain for tomorrow really concentrated, though, in the south. Southern counties of England and Wales staying fairly grey and wet. Elsewhere, well, a much brighter picture compared to today. But we will see some mist and fog patches forming through the night, and they may well hang around in one or two places well into the afternoon. But certainly for many places, dry and bright, we'll hold on to that cloud with further pulses of rain in the south. Top temperatures here, though, 12 or 13 degrees Celsius, generally up to 10. But where we do hold on to that mist and fog, as I say, it will stay pretty chilly. For many, Thursday, dry and bright, but then we'll start to see patchy rain spreading in from the west and things turning wet and windy from the west as we go into Friday. But that's your weather for now.